Your kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and excess substances from your blood, maintaining the body's overall fluid balance and regulating blood pressure. Given the importance of these organs, keeping them healthy is essential for overall well-being. One effective way to support kidney health is through your diet, particularly by incorporating certain fruits known for their detoxifying properties. Here are 8 fruits that can help detox your kidneys fast. 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are renowned for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can also benefit kidney health. These small, tart fruits contain compounds called proanthocyanidins that prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls, reducing the risk of infection. Additionally, cranberries have antioxidant properties that help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from damage. How to include cranberries in your diet. Drink unsweetened cranberry juice. Add dried cranberries to salads or cereals. Use fresh cranberries in smoothies or desserts. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can damage the kidneys over time. Blueberries are also low in potassium and phosphorus, making them a kidney-friendly fruit for those with chronic kidney disease, CKD. How to include blueberries in your diet. Eat a handful of fresh blueberries as a snack. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. Use them in baking for healthy desserts. 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are another antioxidant-rich fruit that can help protect the kidneys. They contain ellagic acid and anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative damage. Strawberries also have a high water content, which aids in keeping the kidneys hydrated and flushing out toxins. How to include strawberries in your diet. Enjoy fresh strawberries as a snack. Add them to salads, cereals, or smoothies. Use them to make healthy desserts like strawberry sorbet or yogurt parfaits. 4. Watermelon. Watermelon is an excellent fruit for kidney detox due to its high water content, which helps flush out toxins from the kidneys. It also contains lycopene, an antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and protect against kidney damage. Watermelon is also low in potassium, making it suitable for individuals with kidney issues. How to include watermelon in your diet. Eat fresh watermelon slices as a refreshing snack. Blend watermelon to make a hydrating juice or smoothie. Add watermelon to fruit salads. 5. Lemons. Lemons are well known for their detoxifying properties. The citric acid in lemons helps prevent kidney stones by binding to calcium in the urine, reducing the risk of stone formation. Lemons also increase urine volume, which aids in flushing out toxins and keeping the kidneys clean. How to include lemons in your diet. Drink lemon water daily, especially in the morning. Use fresh lemon juice in salads, soups, and beverages. Add lemon slices to your water for a refreshing flavor. 6. Apples. Apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants, both of which contribute to kidney health. The soluble fiber in apples helps lower cholesterol and control blood sugar levels, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Apples also contain anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect the kidneys from damage. How to include apples in your diet. Eat fresh apples as a snack. Add apple slices to salads or oatmeal. Use apples in baking for healthy desserts like apple crisps or pies. 7. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce kidney inflammation. It is also rich in vitamin C and antioxidants which support overall kidney health. Pineapple's natural sweetness makes it a delicious addition to a kidney-friendly diet. How to include pineapple in your diet. Eat fresh pineapple chunks as a snack. Add pineapple to smoothies or fruit salads. Use pineapple in cooking for a sweet and tangy flavor. 8. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Pomegranate juice has been shown to lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health, benefiting the kidneys indirectly by reducing the strain on them. How to include pomegranates in your diet? Drink fresh pomegranate juice. Add pomegranate seeds to salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Use pomegranate seeds as a garnish for various dishes. Conclusion: incorporating these 8 fruits into your diet can significantly contribute to kidney detoxification and overall kidney health. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, prevent infections, and flush out toxins. Remember to maintain a balanced diet and stay hydrated to support your kidneys' optimal function. If you have any existing kidney conditions, consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. With these delicious and nutritious fruits, you can take a proactive step towards keeping your kidneys healthy and functioning well.